cleaning results with your new dishwasher is something that you of course want. For that reason, it is important to load the dishwasher correctly. The large items should be placed in the lower rack, and the smaller items in the upper rack. Pots and pans should be placed on the bottom, glasses on the top, plates on the lower rack, and cups on the top. Always make sure they face downwards so that the water can drain off easily. Cutlery belongs in the cutlery basket. The soiled ends facing upwards so that it can be reached easier by the water. For safety, point long sharp knives down or lie them flat. Make sure the spray arm is not blocked by tall items. Turn the spray arm with your hand in order to ensure that it can rotate freely so that the water can reach every surface. In case it can't rotate, reorganize the dishes. Once you have loaded the dishwasher, use Finish Quantum right from the start. Finish Quantum is recommended by the producer of your dishwasher because it is perfectly tailored to your machine. Finish Quantum includes the cleaning, rinse and sort function. Use the Eco program. In most cases, an Eco, Auto or Normal cycle is adequate. This is environmentally friendly. However, with Finish, you still achieve perfection. Select the intensive cycle only in exceptional cases, for example if you have a lot of burned-on stains, as it consumes more energy than the other cycles. The water is introduced into the machine and sprayed over the dishes via the spray arms and is heated. The dosing chamber opens, the cleaning agent is released and dissolves. Powerful jets of wash solution penetrate every corner and clean all surfaces. In doing so, the water is permanently pumped and filtered and detached dirt is continuously removed. At the end of the main wash cycle, the water is pumped out of the machine. Then fresh water together with a small dose of rinse aid ensure that the load is left dry and shining. A modern dishwasher and perfect product such as Quantum gives you targeted cleaning and amazing shine on all your dishes. Perfect. A result which is clean, sparkling and more hygienic than washing at the sink.